Okay, here's the sort of second installment today. I didn't get on with doing much more with the interface after Simon's feedback this morning about the colour intensities and things, so I've been doing a fair amount of research today, and I found that in the newer version of Unity that I'm using, you can add post-processing to the camera. So essentially what you do is you add a post-processing component down here, and then you create a profile that you can change all sorts of levels and things in the camera. So we can, for example, set black levels, clipping levels for the white. Also we can adjust contrast, etc., saturation of colours, and we can mess about till we get it optimized the way we want it. You can also have some hue shifts if you want them, but so there's quite a lot of control over the post-processing of the system. So bearing that in mind, I've done a little tweaking, not too much, but we can optimize it later on, and now you can see there's a greater effect on with the age, but I mean we can tune it a lot better now that we have the post-processing on the camera. Hope that helps, Simon, and I'll now get on with some other stuff after I have a cup of coffee.